We can test the newly added promotional code as follows. First, reopen your Google Site Store page. Here, let's try adding a few items to the cart. In this example, we add 2 items, gift and gift 2. Open the cart, click on Proceed to Payment to go to the checkout page. Then scroll down to the discount information section. There will be a box to enter the promotional code. Here, we'll reopen the Google Sheet file Product Management. Go to Sheet Name, Setting Coupon Management. Open 2 windows for easier tracking. OK, we will enter the previously set promotional code, my coupon 123. Then click Apply. Once successfully applied, the details of the promotion applied to each specific product will appear. For example, here, the product gift has an original price of $10,000 with a 10% discount as previously set, meaning $1,000, and the price after the discount is $9,000. Below will be the total order amount including total original price, total discount amount, total price after discount. If you try to apply a promotional code that is not on the list of preset codes, it will not work. You can also change some fields in the settings to test. For example, change the list of products eligible for the promotion to only include products with product code 1. Try applying the promotional code, my coupon 123 again. Then, the result will show that it only applies to product gift, which has product code 1. Product gift 2 has product code 3, which is not on the list of eligible products, so the promotion cannot be applied. We can also try changing the promotion's expiration date and reapplying it. You'll see a notification that the promotion code has expired. You can also check the status of the promotion code, whether it's still valid or expired, in the State of Coupon Code column. The promotion codes in the coupon code column are just examples to help you visualize how to fill in the promotion code information. You can completely delete them if your store doesn't have a promotion plan, or create a new promotion code. Try creating and testing your own promotion scenarios.